Welcome to the vibrant heart of India, where the food is rich, the culture is diverse, and the lifestyles are colorful. But there's a common health issue that's becoming more noticeable: protruding potbellies. Ever wondered why so many people in India have this condition? Let's uncover the reasons behind this growing concern. A potbelly isn't just about appearance, it's a sign of deeper health issues. Today, we'll explore the factors contributing to abdominal obesity in India, from diet and lifestyle to genetics and cultural practices. First, let's talk about diet. Indian cuisine is delicious, but it's also high in carbohydrates. Rice, chapati, and rich curries are staples. These foods have a high glycemic index, which means they can spike blood sugar levels and contribute to belly fat. And let's not forget the sweets and fried snacks. Traditional Indian sweets and deep-fried foods are loaded with sugar and unhealthy fats, which can lead to weight gain, especially around the abdomen. Next, lifestyle. Modernization has brought more sedentary jobs, reducing physical activity. Long hours at the desk and reliance on motorized transport mean less movement and more sitting, a recipe for a potbelly. And after a long day, many unwind from watching TV or scrolling on their phones, often accompanied by unhealthy snacks. This lack of exercise combined with poor eating habits contributes significantly to abdominal obesity. Genetics also play a crucial role. Studies show that South Asians are more likely to store fat around their organs. This visceral fat is particularly harmful and is a major factor in the prevalence of potbellies in India. Cultural practices, too, have an impact. Food is a central part of celebrations in India, leading to overindulgence during festivals. Also, in some regions, a larger body size is seen as a sign of prosperity, making it socially acceptable to have to potbelly. Postpartum practices involve feeding new mothers high-calorie foods for recovery, which can lead to weight gain if not balanced with physical activity. Economic disparities influence dietary choices. Many lower-income families rely on cheap, calorie-dense foods that are high in fats and sugars. These unhealthy options are often more accessible and affordable than nutritious foods. The health implications of a potbelly are serious. It increases the risk of metabolic disorders like diabetes, cardiovascular diseases, liver disease, and even impacts mental health. Addressing this issue is crucial for a healthy population. So, what can we do about it? It starts with awareness and education about balanced diets and regular exercise. Public health initiatives, healthcare access, and cultural sensitivity are key. By making healthier choices, we can combat the rise of potbellies and improve overall well-being. Join us in this journey towards better health. Small changes can make a big difference. Let's embrace a healthier lifestyle and say goodbye to the potbelly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on health and wellness.